Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Today, as you can see, we are going to make a demer jhal, in Bengali as we call it. It's an egg curry which is very simple. You hardly need anything. The main thing I need is, of course, eggs and some onion paste. These are two medium-sized onions which I just ground in the mixie. Now I need to put in my oil. I am using mustard oil. You know, Bengalis love to use mustard oil. This is a little high on oil, but you can reduce it. It's personal choice. And we need eggs. I'm making it with 4 eggs. Now the eggs we need to slit nicely, so that all the gravy gets into it. One of my eggs, when I was shelling them, just broke. A deep cut to your eggs. My oil should be hot, nice and hot. Your oil has to be nice and hot. Just waiting for the oil to be hot. I will put in a little salt into my oil, because once I put the onion paste, it will start spluttering. So it just reduces that a little, There is no tempering that I need to do for this. My oil is hot. I will put in my onion paste. Fry it up nicely. The frying up of the onion is very important. This will take a little time. I will put in a little more of salt. That's about half a teaspoon of salt. But you can put it whatever. According to your taste, you can put in your salt. Stir nicely. The rawness of the onion has to go, The fried onions actually give it the taste. At this stage, I will add in some turmeric powder and a reasonable amount of chili powder. If you don't like it very spicy, you can use paprika powder, because this is supposed to be a little spicy. Indian food, Indians love things to be a little spicy. But you can reduce the spice according to your choice. It has to fry, and the oil needs to separate. Then it's done. See, now the oil is separating. There are no tomatoes, ginger, garlic, there's nothing. It's only onion paste. You know, my grandmother used to make this and it is so tasty, I can't tell you. You can have a whole plate full of rice with this. Okay, now it's done. Now I have into that bowl where I had my, you know, ground onion, I just put in a little water and a little more of hot water to be added. According to this is a little on the dry side. Now I have already added my salt. At this stage, you put in your egg. Give it a nice stir. And again you need to cook it till the oil separates. Actually this requires enough oil, but nowadays you know we are all very health conscious. So we are scared to put in extra oil. Now see, again the oil is separating. The jhal or egg curry is actually ready. Put in a dash of raw mustard oil that gives a wonderful flavor, and put in a chili if you want. It's done. Now we will serve it. Let's serve it. Friends, your egg curry is ready. Bye for now, friends. Do subscribe, please.